Good morning, this is Pradeep from Trading Plan. Happy to see you all in this video. Before going to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Today we are going to see the buying pressure stocks for today. Let's move on to the stock. The first stock is Colgate Palmolive. So I feel this stock already it is in buying side. So I'm expecting the script will move in upside today also. So for that just we will keep our entry levels and stop loss levels and target levels for this company. First I will keep the stop loss level as 1716 for this company. I feel we can enter the stocks at the current price itself, and we can keep our the target is the earlier high. There is high probability for this stocks can reach this 17,030 the target levels. Just we will keep the target in green color and our entry in blue color, the stop loss level in red color. We will write our target levels here right now. I am expecting this stock will move in upside, possibly is there. This is high probability is there for the stock, and we will keep our targets level now. This stock can reach 1756 by today. So I'm posting only for the stocks for today. Most probably this will happen because already this stock in buying pressure. So before entering you can check your analysis, and you can if feels this is going good, you can also enter the stocks. We can enter the stocks at current entry price. This is the first video I'm looking for intraday stocks. Maybe in upcoming days I will try to post some 10 companies for the intraday. Okay, the next company is, I feel that Tech Mahindra is the second one. I feel that this company also it will move in further upside only, because already it's went in full down, and it's getting consolidated. I feel this stocks also it will move in upside. We can keep the stop loss level as, here I will mention here the stop loss level. We can keep the stop loss level is 1048. Whenever the stocks goes below this 1048, please note the wick should not touch, the tail should not touch, the new candle has to form below this level. That is always we will keep as our stop loss level. I feel definitely it will hit this target that I mentioned in the green color. There is high probability to achieve the target by today. We will enter our target level right now. I feel this company will reach the maximum target of 1066 by today itself. So this is the target for this company, and I feel this company will move in upside, and we can enter the stocks at the current price itself. Please look at our videos. We are posting every day everyday intraday predictions for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So most of the days it's really working well. Today also we posted our intraday Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Hopefully these stocks also will support. I will try to post more scripts by in coming days. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.